Oh, poor kiddo with the hiccups. Yeah, you like to play with mommy, huh?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, good
Good job.
job.
Yay. Yay for Nora.